Hi, hello my dear friends. I am PF Lengdo. Welcome to my channel Storyteller London. I'll enjoy lots of video, full and short film, music videos, funny videos and many more. Please share, like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.
Hey, have you ever had the online blue whale game?
Now, what's it?
Okay, I will show you now.
What type of game it is?
It is the very interesting game.
Let me see.
No, wait. This game can get only from internet.
How can we get it?
Look, I will download it now. See, download is started. Ha! That it is. Let's check it out. You see?
Start the game now.
Okay. Do you see it?
Give it to me. First task, we have to draw F57.
Take here.
Let us draw F57. Sending successful.
What the next task?
Huh? We have to wake up tomorrow 4:20 am.
Come on, let's go to sleep. Come on. I'm so excited.
Me too. Okay. Hey, wake up. Let us see what it does today. We should have to listen to music lesson and to watch the horror movie whole day.
What the game, huh? What is this task today?
We have to sit on the edge of the building with legs dangling. cut yourself, pain, and make yourself sick.
Okay, come on, do it. What's next?
My body is paining. Draw a wheel on your hands with the razor.
We have no razor. We have pen.
No, that's cheating.
It's okay. No one knows.
Okay.
What's next?
Don't talk to anyone. Keep silent. Why should we die just for this game?
Oh yes!
Thank you for watching. Don't play this game, please. Share this message to your family, your friends, and your loved one.